Oh. Oh, hello. Snorlax, yeah.
Because I gotta like that. Because I gotta like that. Because I gotta like that.
Like how?
Like that. Dancing on the dance floor, girl into that high door. That one made you scream for more. Africa got time galore. Snap my fingers, make you mine. And smash out that for second time. After that, I guarantee you will be standing next to me. Left or right side, take your pick. But girl, you got to make it quick. Baby, baby, I know I drive you crazy.
MCs know me as Mike G. Girls hold on to me tightly. Warm personality, that's why they get close to me. Try their best to drive me while saying they want to be my child. I go away, they say come back.
Why?
Why? Because I gotta like that.
Yeah.
Because I gotta like that.
Yeah.
Because I gotta like that. Because I gotta like that.
Like how?
Like that.
No problem.
Why?
Because I got it like that. A baby bear beat and an African rap. A partner by my side, 7 years on the cut. If you did chill and show, but hey, so what? Gun gets in my pocket, vine in my hand. I got it like that, but you still don't understand. It comes to be natural, it comes to be easy. I just lay back and let the big beat lead me. I never work a day in my life. Single jumper brother, no kids, no fight. 100,000 miles one man that's ready. But back where I come from, there ain't one to many. You got a lot of talent, but you fail to see. You pay for yours, I got mine for free.
Play in the rain and don't get wet. Walk through the desert and don't get sweat. Play in the snow and don't get cold. I'm just a cool young brother who looks kinda old. Run around the world, school on the side. If I commit a crime, get caught, I slide. I got the ladies of town and money on the floor. It's not a thing in the world that I'm asking for. Why, brother?